1. What really matters in life is passion and devotion. People who put all their heart into what they do and become the best. Be really good at what you do and show it to others. Good DJs deserve a professional introduction.